Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Aaron here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make sure the fourth quarter is successful for you, especially Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Now, make sure that you stick around until the end because I'm going to be sharing with you the strategies we put in place for our partners, as well as the exact apps to put in place for your business to double your sales, whether it's the holiday season or any sales season. All right, so number one is to start preparing early. This may be a no-brainer, but it's one of those things that need to be brought up because you can never plan too far in advance. About 1 to 2 months out, you should know where you're gonna advertise, where your offers and bundles are gonna be, how much you're gonna be spending, and how much you're projecting to make. There's a lot to figure out, so just take this week by week and start knocking things out now. All right, guys, before we get into number two, I just wanna say howdy. That's Texas slang for hello. If you watched any of our videos before, I just wanna thank you guys so much for coming back. And
thank you so much.
For the new people, thank you for watching. We've been helping frustrated store owners since 2015 become impactful store owners through tutorials, tactics, and strategies. And if you found value in this video so far or at any point, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's what helps us grow and continue to create content for you. All right, so number two, start building your brand and audience early. All right, so most businesses are going to ramp up their spending about 2 to 3 weeks before the holidays, which means the costs are gonna rise dramatically. All right, so how do you compete even if you don't have millions of dollars? Wow, that's a great question. You start running ad campaigns early to get people into your ecosystem when the costs are cheaper. Start doing it now. Here are 2 campaigns I would suggest building for you. Number 1, add to cart campaign. Get as many people as possible to add to cart. Ideally, you want to start this about 4 weeks out from the start of sales. So 4 weeks out from Black Friday or Cyber Monday. The trick here is that the campaign should be a 10% lookalike audience of your best audience, which is going to be purchasers or whatever you have that is the best audience for that. Remember that we want at least 1,000-person audience when we're creating a lookalike. So make sure you use that base before you create a 10% because it needs to be a quality audience. Then you run your best ads to get those people to add to cart. Again, we're not focused on purchase. We want them to add to cart. Now, when it comes time for your Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals, you spend a good chunk of money to retarget all of those people who are already interested in your products. They've already added to cart. Now you're just retargeting them. Ta-da! Cutting costs in half almost instantly with that strategy. All right, so number 2 of the campaigns that I would have set up right now is a messenger campaign. So you can create campaigns that once someone comments, they're automatically getting an initial message from you. This could be an offer, a quick response, does not really matter. Every business is different on how they would like to handle these responses, but as soon as someone responds and y'all are talking on there, they are now inside of your messenger ecosystem. Most messenger, quick stat, I guess most messenger open rates are 90+%. So with that alone, your potential to reach your customers during those sales times already increases. So number 3 is to build your email list. Your email list, aside from only a few other things, is the only true data that you own on the internet. It's consistently the most profitable and consistently the most overlooked avenue for you to grow your business. You need to have a pop-up on your site that is collecting roughly 10% of all customers who see it. So once they've signed up, I would suggest sending a welcome series to warm them up to the brand. But we also have 7 other automations that should be in place for the success no matter what time of the year it is. If you want these automations where you can plug and play for your e-com store, just comment the word automation down below. I'll send you over the link. But wait, there's more. Before we get to these last 2, I just want to tell you guys about our free masterclass training that will walk you through the 5 pillars that need to be in place for your online store to scale consistently and most importantly, profitably. Wow. Most important, profitably, no matter what's going on in the world. So make sure that you check out the description below to grab that free training. All right, so next up we have photos and product pages. These 2 are musts. They must be on point. Sending traffic to your website is step 1. good job. But if you send them to a site that doesn't convert, it's wasted money. 3 out of 4 people will never go back to your site. So if you don't want to capitalize on the beginning, fun fact, 3 out of 4 people will never go back to your site. So if you don't capitalize on it in the beginning, meaning you collected the email address, it's going to be a very hard uphill battle. Luckily, you're watching this video. But for real, great quality photography is needed. You can do this with your iPhone, but there are certain rules that you must follow to make sure that your photo stands out. Here's some examples that we're gonna pull up here onto the screen that will actually help you. And we actually have a lookbook of exactly how to take high quality photos for your clothing brand or boutique. Just comment the word lookbook down below and I'll send you the link. Go check it out and help you grow your brand. All right, so product descriptions are completely underrated. The written word is still one of the most powerful tools to push your customers over the edge and actually buy. You need to paint a scenario using adjectives to describe your product. Let them know where they are, where they would wear that product, and how enjoyable it will be for them. Here's some examples of how to do that, and here's the format as well. Check it out right here. All right, y'all, this is the moment that you've been waiting for. Number 5, last one here, is the apps and tools to double your sales for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or really any other time of the year. To make sales successful and not push sales forward, meaning that you don't get all of the potential customers to purchase now at a discounted price versus having them buy on their own time without a discount, you need to care about 2 metrics that if you watched our previous videos, you may know about, but if not, I'm gonna go over them real quickly again. All right, so number 1 is average order value. Number 2 is lifetime value. And these 2 apps that I'm gonna get ready to explain are gonna fix these problems. All right, so app number 1, numero 1, is one-click upsell. It allows 4 different opportunities for you to increase the average order value, including a pre-sale, an upsell, a downsell. We've seen this increase our partners' order values by an average of $10 per order, which may not seem like much, but when you get hundreds of orders per month or thousands of orders per month, this adds thousands of dollars to your store every single month. It's a simple, easy to use app, and I would highly suggest it. We don't get paid a dime to tell you about it. Go check it out. It's called One Click Upsell. All right, so number 2, the second app not only builds your brand, but also doubles your sales and doubles the lifetime value for every customer who purchases. This tool is extremely powerful and probably one of my most favorite tools out there. And this tool is called CommentSold. It's the 21st century version of QVC. CommentSold gives you guys the ability to go live on social and interact with your customers. It's so easy for potential customers to buy. All they have to do is register one time and simply comment sold from their phones or desktop and an item number that they want in the orders process, right? You can literally pre-authorize a customer to where they type something and it processes their size, what they want, and it's done. Imagine how easy and more so how many less restrictions that somebody has to go through to make a purchase. So you are going to increase sales and it costs you nothing more to go live, especially during a sale. One quick thing I wanted to say about CommentSold though too is that if you are going back and forth with customers about invoicing, using CommentSold is going to not only save you a headache, it's gonna save you a ton of time. Now, one-click upsell is going to be linked in the description. It's super easy to get started. But if you want to learn more about CommentSold, just comment the word sold down below and we'll send you a private link that will give you a white glove onboarding experience. This is prioritized for you. And what I'll tell you right now is that most people who sign up for CommentSold take weeks to get started. They're just that busy right now. They're really exploding. So just make sure that you comment the word sold down below and I will personally sign you up for CommentSold. And then when they reach out to you, you will get a personalized experience and a prioritized experience rather than just going to the website and trying to do it yourself. So looking forward to that. Remember, don't forget to comment the word sold down below. And if you like this video, I know you're going to love this video right here, where I talk with you about Facebook ad strategies that are working right now for clothing brands and boutiques. It's one of our most popular videos, so I know you're going to get a ton out of it. Make sure that you check it out. All right, y'all, that's all that I have for you for this video. We'll see you on the next one.